Hi, this is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing October's BoxyCharm. I just love this little black box, always full of magic, and I see it has my lovely coupon that has a 10% off its cosmetics. Beautiful. Ooh, let's see what's inside, shall we? The first thing I see I'm already thrilled about. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. I am dying because Kat Von D, she makes some seriously good quality makeup. Okay, this is the beautiful packaging and this lipstick. Let's see. What is this? This is Lolita. This is her infamous color. So excited. Ooh. Let's see here. Oh. And this is a color that can basically complement anyone. Pretty much almost everyone. I think everyone. Okay, moving on from Kat Von D. So excited. This is Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology. Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And it gives directions in the back on how to apply. This comes with 2 lace masks, so that's nice. I get to fully experience and give a proper review on this. Okay, the next one, oh my gosh, this is like, I think full size. This is the Superhero from IT, the Superhero Mascara. I had a small one that came, I think, in a Nipsey bag or something, and it was pretty decent, so I'm excited to get the full size. And this lovely little jar is from Pharmacy, and it's called Green Clean. And this is their Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Ooh, made exclusively for BoxyCharm. Isn't that sweet? It even says it right there on the label. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, that's pretty neat. Ooh, let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, it has a pull tab. Oh, it smells so good. You see that? Has like a green tint, so I'm wondering if it might have, let's see here, a nourishing facial cleansing balm that melts away makeup and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long wear foundation is easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Gently massage onto dry skin, it says. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes. Well, hopefully naturally people know that. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with a damp washcloth. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try this. And it has almost like a, let's see. I see it has papaya fruit extract in there. Ooh, and ginger root oil. That's what it is. Because it has like a slightly antiseptic but natural smell to it. So that's great. What perhaps is this, perchance? Ooh, this is from Pure Cosmetics, and this is their Midnight Masquerade Eye Palette. I love the packaging. And within it has, it looks like 4 blushes and 6 eyeshadows. How compact. I love that. I'm getting more from my buck by getting a shadow and a blush. So the blushes are Twilight, Hidden Secret, Reveal, and Enchantment. So those, and then the shimmer shades, which are these, are Exposed, Masked Off, Disguise, which is that purple that I'm dying to try. Sneak Peek, which is the brown. Showtime, I'm sorry, there's a helicopter overhead. Showtime. And then finally 12 a.m. So I'm dying to see what the inside looks like. Okay, so this is what the baby looks like. Again, this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And oh wow, I mean, you guys, these are pretty big sized pans right here, and I guess these are the eyeshadows, and it comes with a lovely handy dandy mirror. But these are gorgeous. So if I'm reading this correct, these are the 4 shimmery face powders. So I'm wondering maybe these can be used as a highlight. I'm dying already. I'm like, I want to try these. And of course these are for the eyes. Overall, I would say I would give this BoxyCharm a B+, especially because it came with the eyeshadow palette and the mascara. and Kat Von D, which I don't mind. I am curious to also try something new, which is the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask that has 2 of these. And the company, again, is called Dermovia. Never heard of them, but I'm always into skincare and masks and having my skin look dewy as well as refreshed and radiant. So I'm all for trying that out. It does say it's a compression thing, so I'm wondering if it's gonna squeeze my face or something. And this palette, I can't wait to use. I will be reviewing it soon. Don't worry about that. I will list the prices below of all these products and how much this box is. As you know, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month box, beauty subscription box of full-size products. And again, I'm pretty pleased with what I got for October 2018. This is Dora Michelle from Makeup or Breakup Blog. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I will see you in the next one. All the descriptions will be down below, and please comment on what you got in your BoxyCharm box. Take care. Bye.